lot of people have allergies, and when somebody's building their house, typically builders aren't going to seal up the attic. So as the traditional insulation breaks down over time, it starts shedding fibers and creating dust. And what a lot of people fail to realize is that the attic is a primary source of dust and allergens coming into the home. So when we go in and we remove all of that old insulation, it now exposes the attic, where we can come in and we can seal up the attic on all of the can lights, all of the air conditioning return vents, any holes that are drilled for wires or plumbing that come into the house. All of that gets sealed. And then when we put in Milo insulation, or Milex, it's hypoallergenic. And with that, it dramatically improves the quality of the air inside the house. So not only is it a superior thermal performance, it's also helping with the air quality. And that's a huge benefit for those who actually have allergies and struggles with allergies. In fact, it's one of the more common reviews or testimonials that we receive from customers, is what a difference they can tell in the indoor air quality. So when you look at Milex Thermal Max, if you understand the thermodynamics on how insulation works, it's easy to see why Milex is, without question, the insulation of the future.